Looking back, all the things I'm doing now that I love about my life, I wasted 10 years. And I promise you this, if you're watching this, if you don't understand what I'm saying in this story, you will waste 10 years of your life, and you don't have to waste those 10 years. I now have a shortcut, a way of finding answers. I was 16, I realized that I was a little bit ahead of the game, and I started thinking, I was like, how can I not be like everybody else? Then I bumped into this mentor a little bit later, this guy named Alan Nation. He said, no, Tai, the secret in life is to ignore 99 out of 100 people, but when you find the one person who actually knows what they're talking about, like actually listen. So I was like, that makes sense. I came up with this thought about a year ago. What if I could make you a black belt in what I call the 4 pillars of the good life? Health, wealth, love, happiness. You gotta have all 4. I did a little test group. It's called 5-Minute Mentor. Give me 5 minutes a day. Transform your life. I'm gonna share a 5-minute nugget every single day for a year. Take you from white belt. Each month you get a new belt. You've got less than 7 days.